Hey y'all, this is Ieasha of Event Decor and Designs by Ieasha, and today I want to bring you along with me, y'all, because I have a birthday party, a huge birthday party that I'm going to be doing very soon in a couple of months. So what I did, I went ahead and ordered the supplies that I will need for this birthday party, and I'm going to bring you along with me to show you what I have ordered. So I went to Efavormart as well as Amazon. So let me show you these gorgeous centerpieces. Well, this is like the vase that I'm going to be using for a centerpiece, y'all, and they are so pretty. Let me just open them up and show you what I have right here. As you see, I've already opened the box. So these came 4 vases in a box. They came 4 vases. So I think I'm going to be ordering some more of these to go on the other table for my client. But y'all, look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. So just watch as I take them out. So y'all, I am recording with one hand, so just be patient with me as I'm doing this because I don't want to drop anything or, of course, break anything. So just give me a moment to get everything out. And as you see, here it is right here, y'all. This is so, so pretty. So I already know what I'm going to be doing at the top. Y'all know I love florals. So I'm going to be doing artificial flowers at the top. Now, I have an upcoming class where I'm going to be doing live flowers, y'all. I'm super excited about it because I love to make flower centerpieces. They are so gorgeous. And if you all haven't seen, I have some videos here on this channel of some that I've done before. Also, I made a centerpiece with a vase that looks like this. So let's go ahead and open this Efavormart box, y'all. I'm going to open it with my scissors, and I'm going to be careful because I do not want to cut anything. So when you open your boxes, make sure you don't cut anything. Because you don't want to cut the tablecloths or napkins or whatever it is that you have. So let's go ahead and open this box, y'all, and see what is in this. Now, one thing I'm going to tell you is that when you are doing an event, or even if you're getting something for your home, you always want to check it before the event date. If you're doing an event, way before the event date, because you want to make sure that everything is in there. And you also want to make sure that there's nothing, torn up or anything like that. So y'all already know what the colors are for this birthday party. It's going to be purple, gold, and she wanted some extra colors like black, blue. Y'all, it's going to be so gorgeous. But here is the chair covers. Here's the chair covers. This is the cutlery. Y'all, this birthday party is going to be so pretty. As you see, everything that I have right here is going to be 12 round tables and 4 rectangular tables. So I went ahead and got the tablecloths for all of the tables, and I'm going to be setting up for 100 people. So it's going to be a huge party. So this is what I have right here. Now we're going to go ahead and go into the other box and make sure that everything is in the other Efavormart box. So I'm just going to put everything back because I want anything to get missing or anything like that, because I'm going to have to come back in here and just open up everything just to make sure everything is the way it's supposed to be, because like I was telling you before, you don't want anything to be ripped or torn or missing, and just always just make sure that all of the items that you ordered are in the pack. All right, so here's the other box that I have, and these are the other tablecloths, that I have right here, and these are to go on the other table. So yeah, I am super excited. I have some balloons and some other things that I will be coming back on here to show you. But I wanted to show you this huge box because it just came in and I wanted to go ahead and open it. And I was like, let me go ahead and open it with you and just show you how, just show you the colors and everything, and just let you see how gorgeous these tablecloths are. And like I said before, I'm going to come back and open everything just to make sure everything is looking good. All right, peace.